my YouTube channel, Cecelia all word. And this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make a healthy meal, how to make healthy drink, how to do home decoration and budget. I discuss about different DIY hack, life hack. I also talk about how to do DIY beauty hack. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. And for today's video, I will be teaching us how to make baby fruit puree. I'll be teaching us how to make baby fruit puree. And this baby fruit puree can actually be taken by a 6-month-old baby and older. And this baby puree will actually be made using non-chemicals. So this is organic fruits which you can give to your baby to help your baby to grow. And I will be making 2 types of baby fruit puree today. And to make this, I have my helper here. I have Debbie, my daughter, and she will be helping us to make this baby fruit puree today for our brother. So to make this wonderful recipe, I have different types of ingredients on my plate. So on my right here, I have pear, I have mango, I have cucumber, I have green apples, I have blackberries, I have blueberries, I have kiwi. And on my left hand here, I have mango, I have oranges, I have red apples, I have plum, I have grapes, red grapes, and I have strawberries. So today's video, I'm making 2 types of baby fruit puree, which are all loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants that your baby needs to grow and boost their immunity. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to wash my ingredients and I'm going to cut, and I will be microwaving for a few minutes and we will blend. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate that. Let's dive in. I have all my ingredients washed and cut. I have 7 types of fruits on this plate. I have cucumber, mango, green apples. I have blueberries, blackberries, pear, kiwi. And on this plate, I have mango, plum, oranges, red grapes, red apple, and I have strawberries. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to microwave this ingredient. And the reason why you want to microwave is because you're giving it to baby. So I'm going to microwave for a few minutes, but you don't want to microwave for too long so that you don't denature the vitamins and nutrients in your fruit. So I'll be microwaving this now for a few minutes and we'll be blend. Thank you. So I have the first fruit microwaved, and the quantity of your fruit will determine how long you're going to microwave it. But at the same time, you don't want to denature the nutrients, and at the same time, you want to microwave for a few minutes because you're giving this puree to baby. So I have this microwaved for 6 minutes, and I'll be blending using about 500 ml of baby water. You need to microwave this. So I microwave this water. You can substitute it with normal water, normal drinking water, but please try to microwave. So I'll be blending this, and I'll be making the first set of the baby puree. So my hand is clean. I'll be putting the ingredients. My hand is clean. You want to do this using a clean hand. So my hand is clean. So I'll just be adding little water. I added like 4 ounces of water, and I'll start blending on parts. the first set of baby puree. And don't forget that in this blender, I have plum, I have red apples, I have strawberries, I have red grapes, I have orange, I have mango, and I have 6 types of fruit in this blender. And now I have the first set done. I'll go ahead and blend the second batch. And I use like 4 ounces of baby water to blend this. So this is done, and let me just show you how smooth this is. So this baby food is done. I'll blend the second batch, and I'll actually be putting in a pouch, and you can save this in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. And when your baby is ready to take this, all you have to do is to bring it out to thaw, and you can actually put it in boiling water, in hot water to thaw. So I'll go ahead and blend the second batch, and I will put that in a pouch. It's ready. The baby puree is ready. And I have 6 types of fruits in here blended together. This is ready, the baby puree. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be putting that in the pouch. And I got this pouch on Amazon. You can actually use anything. So I'll be putting the baby puree in the pouch, and I'm going to refrigerate you can refrigerate up to 1 month. It will still be good. So I have the first baby puree ready, and I have that in this pouch, and I have some in this bowl. So the baby puree is ready, and this is how this pouch works. So you fill the pouch through the side, and you clip it when you're done, and your baby can actually open it up from here to take it when the baby is ready. And this, you can have it on the go, and it's very, very good. I got this from Amazon, the pouch. So I have the first baby puree ready. So now I'm blending the second set of the baby puree. I have the ingredients microwaved for 6 minutes. And here I have the pear, blackberries, kiwi, cucumber, green apple, mangoes, and blueberries. So I'll be blending this, and I'll be blending in 2 batches because of the quantity. And I'll be adding the blueberries, excuse me. I'm adding the blueberries, and I'll be blending with like 4 ounces of water. 4 ounces of water. And this is baby water. And to make this, I use 7 types of fruits: green apples, pear, kiwi, blackberries, blueberries, cucumber, mango. That is what I use to make this. And the next thing I'll be doing now is to put this in the pouch, and I'll also be blending the second set, and this will be ready. So our 2 types of puree is ready and done. See, this is ready and done. And the second type It's also ready and done. And please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The next video is going to be how to make aloe vera body wash. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out. I love you all. Debbie, do you want to say anything?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.